here that I met several weeks ago. An incredible food service professional serving this community for how long?
4 years.
4 years, pioneering great hospitality. I want to tell you a little history that Foodie Fondo has with the Bronx Brewery. We're obviously sitting in a brewery. The tap room's in here, the beautiful gardens out back, which we'll go and walk through and see. So it was in 2014, I came and I walked in, and besides seeing all the cool brewing equipment, there were bikes everywhere. I said, cool, we got this. I said, hey, can we do a Fondo here? They said, absolutely, we're gonna set you up here. And I'm like, this is cool, can I have the tour? We walked around. We got into the garden and back, which was storage. Foodie Fondo was the first event in this garden and back. This garden and back now regularly generates in excess of $3 million in annual revenue for this business. And yeah. Cha-ching! And it's one of the most beautiful spots in the southern Bronx for hospitality.
Music bed.